Daily use English sentences. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. This had to happen. This had to happen. I am coming in a while. I am coming in a while. You seem to be lost somewhere. You seem to be lost somewhere. He is having to sound asleep. He is having to sound asleep. Why are you stretching the issue? Why are you stretching the issue? I am to get up at 6:45. I am to get up at 6:45. Need the flour. Need the flour. I often go to his home. I often go to his home. What brings you here? What brings you here? Serve the food. Serve the food. Bask the sun. Bask the sun. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. Open the door. Open the door. I will leave in half an hour. I will leave in half an hour. He will go in a week or so. I can't find my charger. He will go in a week or so. I can't find my charger. What if he doesn't obey you? What if he doesn't obey you? Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap. There would be hardly 10 rupees in my wallet. There would be hardly 10 rupees in my wallet. Your anger is justified. Spit away the anger. Spit away the anger. I'll call you when we go. I'll call you when we go. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. As you think, so you become. As you think, so you become. The weather has suddenly turned bad. The weather has suddenly turned bad. You have put on your slippers the wrong side. You have put on your slippers the wrong side. I have come here with lots of hope. I have come here with lots of hope. Come with me. Come with me. You will learn. You will learn. Put on the blue shirt today. Put on the blue shirt today. Get it repaired. Get it repaired. When will you get married? When will you get married? Well done. Well done. Whom would you like to invite? Whom would you like to invite? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? When will we arrive? When will we arrive? How were your holidays? How were your holidays? Button up your shirt. Button up your shirt. You amazed me. You amazed me. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. Don't make a quarrel. Don't make a quarrel. He always sands my ways. He always sands my ways. I can't cheat her. I can't cheat her. I was busy with some work. I was busy with some work. I am sorry, I got late. I am sorry, I got late. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. Don't stutter. Don't stutter.